Welcome dear students in our e-learning maths class. Myself Sheetal Dholi from Gokul Education Society's HL High School English Medium Ozar Township. I am here for Standard 9 Mathematics Part 2. In construction of triangle, already I explained construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and the difference between the remaining side is given. Today I am going to explain third type of construction, that is to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angle which include the base are given. Along that we will discuss on practice set 4.3. Let's start. Before going to start practice set 4.3, I will explain the solved example on page number 55. Now here it is given to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and angles which include the base are given. Now see the example, construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA equals to 11.3 centimeter. Now here AB plus BC plus CA, this is nothing but the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter means sum of the three sides of triangle. And included base angles are given. Angle B is given 70 degree, angle C equals to 60 degree. And with the help of this information, we have to construct triangle ABC. Now first of all we have to draw a rough diagram here. Here see the rough figure. Now here along that some explanation is also given. That explanation I will tell to you. As shown in figure here, points P and Q are taken on line BC such that PB equals to AB and CQ equals to AC. Now here that PQ is nothing but PB plus BC plus CQ. But PB is nothing but AB and CQ is nothing but AC. So instead of PB and CQ, we can write there AB and AC. So we get PQ equals to AB plus BC plus AC equals to 11.3 centimeter. It is already given. This is nothing but the perimeter of triangle. Now if we consider triangle PBA, PB equals to BE. If two sides are equal, that means it is isosceles triangle and the angle opposite to that sides are also congruent. So according to that, angle APB equals to angle PAB. That both angles, by using the exterior remote interior angle theorem, we can mention over there angle APB plus angle PAB equals to angle ABC, which is the exterior angle of triangle PAB. Now so here that exterior angle, that measurement is given 70. Okay, so here we can say that one. Now here APB and PAB, these both angles are same. So instead of 2, we can write any one angle 2 times. So angle 2 times angle APB equals to 70 degree. So angle APB equals to 70 by 2, that is 35. So angle APB equals to PAB equals to 35 degree. Similarly, we can find CQA equals to angle CAQ equals to 30 degree, because here it is given 60, so half of that 60 is 30 degree. Now we can draw triangle PAQ as its two angles and the included side is known. So BA equals to BP. Point B lies on the perpendicular bisector of segment AP. Similarly, CA equals to CQ. Therefore, point C lies. Similarly, CA equals to CQ. Therefore, point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of segment AQ. By constructing the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and AQ, we can get the points B and C where the perpendicular bisector intersect line PQ. Now, this whole explanation is only for getting angle P and angle Q. Okay, so with the help of that, we have to do the construction. Now, I will explain the steps of this construction. First of all, we have to draw the segment PQ of 11.3 centimeter. Then we have to draw a ray that making an angle 35 degree at point P. We have to draw the another ray that making an angle of 30 degree at point Q. These both rays are intersect each other at point A. So we get the triangle APQ. Then afterwards we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PA and we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of QA. These both perpendicular bisectors are intersect segment PQ at point B and C respectively. Then afterwards draw the segment AB and segment AC. So this is our required triangle ABC. Okay, now with the help of this all steps and that explanation, we will solve the practice set 4.3. See the first example from practice set 4.3. Construct triangle PQR in which angle Q is given 70 degree, angle R is 80 degree and PQ plus QR plus PR equals to 9.5 centimeter. Let's do the construction. See here, first of all we have to draw the rough diagram. In that we have to take the segment AB of 9.5 centimeter. Then we have to draw an ray. Those are making an angle of 35 degree at point A. Now how that 35 it comes? Because angle Q is given 70 degree, half of that 70 is 35. Similarly angle B we have to make as 40 degree, because here 80 is given angle R, half of that 80, that is 40. So angle B is for 40 degree. Both angles intersect each other at point P. So we get that angle PAB. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AP and perpendicular bisector of PP. Those are intersecting segment AB at point Q and R. And then afterwards we have to draw the segment PQ and PR, which is our required triangle PQR. Now we will do this actual construction stepwise. So first of all, everyone draw segment AB of 9.5 centimeter. Okay, finish. Now with the help of protractor you have to draw an angle A of 35 degree. So keep the protractor at point A and make an angle of 35 degree. Okay. Similarly, you have to draw an angle B of 40 degree. Keep your protractor at B and draw an angle of 40 degree. Here both rays are intersecting each other at point P. Now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PA and perpendicular bisector of PB. See here, both perpendicular bisector intersect segment AB in point Q and R respectively. Then afterwards you have to join the point, or you can draw the segment PQ as well as PR, which is nothing but your required triangle PQR. Here angle Q is it is given 70 degree, angle R is given 80 degree. So here we get the required triangle PQR when the sum of the three sides and the base angles are given. Okay, now in this way we will do the second example. See the second example. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 58 degree, angle X is 46 and perimeter of triangle is given 10.5 centimeter. Now X and Y, these are the base angles. So here the rough diagram is also given. We have to take the point AB and we have to draw the segment AB in such way that the distance of AB is 10.5 centimeter, which is nothing but the perimeter of triangle. Then angle X is given 46 degree, so angle A it will be 23, half of that 46. Angle Y is 58 degree, so angle B is 29, half of that 58. Then afterwards we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ and perpendicular bisector of BZ, and these both perpendicular bisectors are intersect the segment AB at point X and Y. Then afterwards we have to join the segment XZ and YZ. So we'll get the required triangle XYZ. Now we'll do the construction stepwise. So first of all, everyone draw a segment 10.5 centimeter of AB. Okay, finish everyone. Now keep your protractor at point A and draw an angle of 23 degree. Okay, finish. Now keep the protractor at B and make an angle of 29 degree. For this point of intersection, give the name Z. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AP and perpendicular bisector of BQ. Both perpendicular bisector intersect segment AB at point X and Y. Then afterwards you just join the segment XZ and YZ. So here this is our required triangle XYZ. Okay, here that angle X is, it was 46 and Y is given for 58. Understood everyone? Now same way we will do the third construction. We will discuss on the last construction of practice set 4.3. See that question. Construct triangle LMN in which angle M equals to 60 degree, angle N equals to 80 degree and sum of the three sides are given 11 centimeter. Now here see the rough diagram. First of all we have to draw the segment AB of 11 centimeter. Then angle A is 30 degree which is half of angle M. Angle B is 40 degree which is half of angle N. And then afterwards at last we get the required triangle LMN. Now let's do the construction. First of all everyone draw the segment AB of 11 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor make an angle A of 30 degree. And angle B of 40 degree. See angle B of 40 degree. Draw a ray on both sides. See angle of 30 degree and that ray AC and for a 40 degree ray BD both are intersect each other at point L. Now we have to do the perpendicular bisector of AC and perpendicular bisector of BD. For perpendicular bisector of AC, take the more than half distance of AC. Put the tip of compass at A and draw an arc up and down. Similarly, you can keep that at L. Draw an arc. Those intersect the previous one. Similarly, you can draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. Put the tip of compass at B. Draw an arc on both sides. Then without changing the distance, keep it on L. And draw the arc, those intersect the previous one. Both rays intersect segment AB at point M and N. Then draw segment LM and LN. So here you will get the required triangle LMN. Okay, understood? I hope everyone get these all constructions. Now you will complete this practice set 4.3 in your classwork notebook. Very soon we will meet again in next video. Till then you have to take care of yourself. Thank you.